It's that 9-5 shit right here. Take them back to the 90s. Yo, okay, now take a trip inside my mind like you was off to Venice. It's me and B.I.G. LMBO cooking like chemists. Take them back to way back when like Dennis the Menace. Causing mayhem on the come up like a young apprentice. Smoking weed and getting higher than a flight attendant. Hip-hop descendant, gold Jesus on my pendant. Gotta pull it out for everyone that's in attendance. Okay, back in the day as a college park tenant. Still can't believe I didn't get a shorty pregnant. Man, that's the definition of a life sentence. A whole lot of beef, no bread, no lettuce. Cause I couldn't keep it in my briefs, man, that's pathetic. Fuck all that back and forth, this ain't a game of tennis. I be in my motherfucking chamber like the Senate. Scared to go outside, but I know I can't prevent it. I'm forever alone in my mind. See, I'm a self-diagnosed hypochondriac. Either at the crib or on the tour buses where you find me at. Yeah, I know that I'm living like I got it, okay, yeah. But I swear that I'm not that neurotic over here. Over here, 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 over here.
Hey yo, fuck all that. It's the fat young Jesus, flow prestigious. Stuck the money and play in the field, man, like Regis. Better believe it, so leave us grabbing your bitch's cleavage like I went from surveying to Super Saiyan slaying the man. Bitches want an autograph, I saw them titties and cran like I said.
B.I.G. LMBO cooking like chemists. It's B.I.G. LMBO.
Posted in the club with baggy jeans and a beanie, sipping on a martini, taking my pick at bitches like Eenie. I'm unscannable, young cannibal, eat whack MCs like Hannibal. Cause Joe Pesci's my spirit animal.
Over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here.